Welcome friends in hydroponic training session. Here is the demo for you which makes your understanding regarding hydroponic farming. It's a NFT system. The components of this system is a nutrient solution reservoir, plant holding cups, and PVC pipe. Just to understand how this system is works, in this system, nutrient solution is circulating in pipes through a pump, and again the nutrient solutions come back to the nutrient solution tank and again circulating. From this system, there is no loss of water, no loss of nutrients as we face in a conventional agriculture. We can save water by adopting amazing technology of hydroponic farming. It's a future agriculture. If you want to get more videos, subscribe the channel and press bell icon for future videos. Thanks. Goodbye.